Hello everyone, today we have video review with something unusual. So today we're gonna review mobile suit from Gundam, series. It's a 1/44 scale and it comes from Bandai. As you can see, it's Gen Ace custom. And frankly speaking, the Gundam topic was quite interesting for me before, so that's why I decided to give it a try. And we start from this kit. It's advanced grade. I hope you understand all this grading system. If not, we have advanced grade, then master grade, and then even higher grades with better detailing. So this one is basically simplest detailing and the easiest assembly inside. As you can see, box is not that big. Here you can see comparison with my hand size. We have this nice box art on the front, even photo of the assembled model. And then we have again pictures of the assembled model. There is some card included, and here we have some features. Everything is written in Japanese, so I can't translate it, unfortunately. This is the top opening box. Inside we find plastic sprues packed into one plastic bag, and note that assembly manual is finished in form of this cardboard insert on the box. Actually, it's printed on the box, so you have to read it like this. Okay, so now let's check plastic sprues. Gundam kits are quite interesting. I mean, they are notable because you can assemble them without painting, or you can assemble them with painting. It will be up to you, but as I said, for example, today's kit ensures easy assembly. So even beginners can try to assemble something simple without doing sanding or any other possible modifications to the kit. So here are the plastic sprues, and let's start from the first plastic sprue. And straight away I want to show you one small feature which is really useful. This one. It's letter for the sprue, but as you can see, it's done as a throughout letter so that you can see it when it lies anywhere, so that you don't have to search around for the particular part for the figurine. So here we have head of the robot. Then we have, I think, those are legs. Note that there are special huge positioning points inside, which should ensure proper placement and alignment. And as you can see, all parts are molded in white color, even though on the assembled model photos here we have gray color. So either you painted it with your own hands, or you have to, let's say, deal with white figurine. Here we have more of leg parts, also arm parts, and also the torso, as far as I can guess. Everything looks fine. I mean, molding quality is really impressive. I don't see any flash or other possible problem. Of course, each part has its own number, and again inside we can see position pins for the proper placement. Next we have last plastic sprue. This one is dedicated to the hands parts. Here you can see that there are even fingers, and again, because of the simple detailing, these hands are not movable and they're pre-molded in a given position, as you can see here. On higher grade kits, they should be movable, they should be positionable, so that you can insert some, external equipment into their arms. Then we have separate plastic sprue with front mask for the head. And this small plastic bag contains some black plastic box. I'm not sure what is it for, just give me a second to open it. That's quite interesting surprise. And it's difficult to open, I would say. Okay. I will show it in the review article, because I don't get it how to open it at the moment. But I will show it on the photos what's hidden in there inside. On the assembly manual I see that it should be just installed on into the torso, and then it should be enclosed there inside. Here you can see it. So I'm not sure what does it contain, maybe some special sensor or maybe something else. And here we have special card with some bonuses for this figure. And on the other side there is special code written, maybe you saw it. And that's pretty much all. So as you can see, quite a nice and interesting kit. Also, I would say viable alternative for the Gundam beginners. And of course I will give it a try soon. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below, like this video, share this video around, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As usual, I will see you in the next video review. Bye!